Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, just go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Following that, you need to download this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it, and if you wish to mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now select this gear at the top left corner. Choose I accept in First Things First pop-up and check out all of those options. When you finished, click on the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and click on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I want to apply mine to Home Screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!